Awusofuna ukusistripela manje.
Ziyawa nge-16. Uzobulele ntoni na? Okay. We're rolling.
We have been rolling.
Ayisho isadi.
Okay. Sangidumelani sanibonani. This is boy Pule Mathieu bhena noSkevin. Ntwana sengikenza. Khona lapha eMpondi bathi ayithethiso yenzani? Ayishaya yathethiso, right?
Yakhuza.
Okay, by the way,
Umkenzi
talking
yakhoza.
about ezimnyama, the champion beer, Gavota, Abosol,
Phenduka.
I'm a champion 3 times, ne? Nama golden gag.
Obvious treble winners.
Nama golden gag. Individual. Scala. Asanibona nakokelela bafuthayo. Dr. Congratulations to Pirates once again. Once again.
And bathi next week idlala elinye icup.
And the Pirates.
Hayi.
Hey, yabezo bathini bathi manje bangashaya bafana.
Kabuhlungu. Ama-player wethu sabashaya.
Orlando Pirates. FC.
Shayispan.
Ezimnyama zamagebhulu.
Zagebhile umhlaba zawubhekisa phansi.
Like me.
Igama phambili.
This time I saw this time.
Yeah, kamfethi. Ngoba manje TLB.
Captain America zeka seAmerica.
Captain America. Angisaphazi bana yeah. Anyways, sikhuluma ngeLokhuzani champion beer Orlando Pirates clinching it twice, if not 3 times. Twice, ne? Like label.
Ngeviki.
Oh yeah, twice.
Thatha ama-2 ngeviki.
Next week basidlala ide.
Dlala yini?
Awubani bathi?
Sol Cup.
Orlando
Pirates.
Kune Soul Cup. Ebayenzi.
Yeah.
Mnandi hayi.
Iwina nje ama-cup webhiya nje.
Lebhiya.
Izinja zethu bafethu.
Soul Cup.
Ngizakhala ke manje.
Nomunye ubhuti ongatholanga i-invitation.
Eish.
Njengoba nisibona simnyama.
Eish.
Champion beer. Mawuqinile njengestallion, champion beer. Tamanje.
Makayazi. Kugrand ukuba unique. Ihle kumele ube different. Yeah, anyway game la izolo ne.
Talking about unique.
All Stars.
Nasi lesikiphe simnyama nasifona. Unique nasi.
Ama All Star.
Enzani mo
Ama All Star kugcwele ngama ball players.
Bajima isikhathi esingakanani?
2 days. Bajima 2-3 days. 2 days.
Like uTV uqeda ukuthini?
Ni Atletico ball player. Why? Never volunteered in midfield.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop confused. The reason why Mthelisa sakhona uyetsa di save. Seloko ne di 13. Tsona ne di dlala fele. Phakathi ne le at B. Mawani ke shebile game ile. Like nkare ne sina structure. Phakathi nkare ne sina plan. Like ha o tseba no sa tseba lokho etsalana. Considering una di players tse dintšha tsa TTC le APC Mtsepe pele FC. So like obvious watseba wazama Roba Cop wazama wabona la okay emergency okay. Then obvious watseba phakathi substitute ke impact players ke tsona tse goal.
Never tastisana.
Yeah, never tastisana yabo. So like emergency fail wona a game ile. Makandali ngishayile ngabona. Even though never see okay game mawabani. Ngibona like game ile never kai lose from first half. Wow. So like tsa All Stars tsona washeba Allende, Ndlondlo, Villa, King, Sales. Ntuna le kantle ke mangumo. Santos qadile kantle le. Wa bona ke bitsitse di ball player ke medleleng ela. Ka fela ndi tshwara bola ke dino ka bola. I fitla 18 apparently da no ka di sharp.
So selection cutting plate level. We select a play we batlang, or select according to position we dlalang.
The thing is yaka di vote.
Yeah. Like is it specific
I'm a fan.
Defense.
Yeah, my question is more vote, let's say vote Undlondo. Undlondo, let's say I think they could have structured it in a sense of defense, center forward lead right.
Or bakhetha
Bakhetha
ama-player
ama-player
according
lapho
to the
nalapho.
position.
bese
manje-
yiwo kumele siwavote.
Yeah, because uyakhuluma ngakhona ukuthi baphethe ama-ball i-congestion bogcwele
Ama-ball player, ama-ball boy.
ama-ball
Ball player. So like ke yone le ba khawathile most apa. Because ne ba sna alternate strike aka kwa sheba game. Ne ba sna strike se lo go no i threat ku defense ya Pirates. Even though Machitana le Mechan fit yabo Olisanda Fede Rambone ke after a long time a khutla nasi sharp because of there was a time ngahla phansi stretching yawo so like you could see ukuthi Mechan fit this one.
So nanibhekile kule team elinayo manje.
Yeah.
Uzofitha Greg.
Yeah,
maka match fit uzoba.
Now we are gonna vela ka fit, right? No kina go like kona khutla. E tlamile vele re mka chance kona khutlang ene kona a qalang a dlala underward. Wabo. So like obviously what you obvious santsana tlo assess okay. Okay, play so ba ka misa go di game tse so tlamile ba tlo selectela di game. Never vele ba mkenye ko line up. Obviously santsana tlo khutla captain bosibisi. Ba tlo khutla ga tseba ke ena le sema ba tlo dlala because of ntse ba dlala vele. Aka kwa sheba line up Pirates mo bana 3 center backs ne go dlala ka di wing back Van Rooyen le Daiden le hotho
Be go ibonda ka se Jericho lelia
ubani
lelia
lipi
le 3 le bese move
inza
Siema sesane nda all of Jericho baba bezingadluli lezi
exactly mina kona phela Daiden ke mangisiyama ne ba muse as a ngakasho ke like a backup player because
Yeah.
they too because of the Mechan fit should say the shaka transition say discuss a lambra se mantsa le fitness a dlala game so like I think Espany because of the impact tsa bona ke tsona tse di overlay
enidlalile ntwana
So selection ya mabane Orlando Pirates check over or maybe let's say for example if I were to quote maybe if I were to keep a like you're saying Mabane Pirates needs na creativity in regards to some of the players still over at the CEO.
yeah
So the squad not only I wouldn't say about to affect the Pirates but it had an impact.
yeah really the impact developed because of obvious matches at to dlala what's okay out of dream kena mamang you know ona le rile o etsala la new day team mang ba bana ya tsaka le
mina I think vele if
aneleka strong
if iPirates izowina next season le cup babadlala le All Stars I think mele bathathe bona lama player bawadlala izona athathe futhi I wish bangathatha more of DDC players
yeah
ngithola babagayifile ukudlala stadium sinama fans bazofaka nje ama player
allow
ama senior lapho nada ngithola
French players
engiyibonayo ngecoach nizama uyithathile ngithi eKhaleni like the prestige tournament then this one I wouldn't say see cup I consider as
a cup
yeah not in that sense but what I'm trying to say is I can't talk about the champion players game the champion players yeah
All Stars
it's swag so what I'm trying to say is Ntoki bona from kwena uzama wayetwa di nya ra le ntwana a tlo kena whether ke team o dlala against Baroka o dlala against things se ke a tshwantse babo o ba le stage fright but seeing the way how dlala final
yeah
so over ka feel already if you want to dlala mo finaling which can play anywhere
yeah so bega buyisana la ma player be wa injured
yeah we still like that mentality and I think uzama ape who build another of Orias ka motla sa tsebo mo ifwa shake ga tseba rena le
yena phile matshentsa dlalile le yona All Stars ayidlalile so
yeah dlalile ba coach omncithi jo
manqoba
hayi coach le
apply
coach
when it comes to coaches
manqoba
oh and yes ane
oh yes
tsona dizadile tsona ne dina di play tse le go novela ne di ka bula teaming ulemu but then obviously you what they Pirates winning mentality ya bona tla so ke yona ba entse mo ba win game o ya kana
talking about the impact of players that have been selected to play for Bafana Hugo Bros on Mbogas what do you make of that? Hugo Bros on Mbokazi.
Lama comments wakhe lawa.
Ama-comments wakhe, and again futhi Mbokazi, angazi ukuthi kwenzakeleni, I don't know the whole story, but do you think as a player, professional player, because from judging from lento ekhuluma Hugo Bros, it was like sekayabona ukuthi sekayi-star ubehave in a certain way, you understand, like ama-legends wethu yazi mabacala babona ishine, they losing their way, they losing their touch and all that. So do you think it's based on that ukuthi Mbokazi maybe he might have done it, whatever Hugo Bros said, asatsebe net. And lena dintho tsa di buileng mo social media eke highlighting na ke he will enter into my office as a black man and walk out as a white
man.
What the like what was he saying?
Do you think it's mega racist?
Well, judging by the tone, facial expression and everything, I wouldn't say he was racist, but he was angry. He might have maybe he slapped his mouth or something. Ushelele.
Out
of context.
Do you think it's mega racist?
Nah. Slip of the tongue.
I don't think so, because of any coach nakayitha.
Yazi ukuthi into emkwatisa Hugo. Uqeda ukusana Chicago. No. Yabo sikabona ngathi umkwabulo ukho sikamisa ama flights. Ayikaze yenzeka since. Why now? So I think into bisengcondweni akudo le yangijwayela.
Feda ngipush le agenda ne.
Hayi push nje.
Hayi ngipush. But kunale say le ethi so women's words are drunk king, so women's thoughts are drunken's words. Right? So in this scenario ngayibeka kanje ukuthi ukukwata kwakhe ukubonisa lento lebeka lokayivalele ngaphandle kwazo.
Yes.
So yabona mangibeka ngaleyo ndlela lesi sibona
yena vele beka ngikho happy ngale move leya. As much as nami ngikho happy.
Yasibaningi ngikho happy.
Angithola. Yena uzoshintsha impilo yakhe personal, but what about your career? We might say ukuthi use America exposure izobabhaya, but do you think khona ama eke out ezisuka sisobukela MLS because sifuna ama play?
In the MLS it is
I can only quote one player. Kune player le West Ham. No. Balithatha vele ku MLS. But it's one. Akuna history ukuthi silanda ama player la. History mfethu se Europe. History kubo Europa League. History kula ma league lawa, French League,
Serie A,
abo Belgium, yangithola. Serie A. Ukuthi kunama player da unknown and unseen.
But I think the agent touched on lento le Europe ukuthi they were willing to offer Mbokazi like 150 euros, of which is equivalent to 2 million. That being said, you opt for a better offer. Even though we know the standard football is not okay, nakhona if besikona ukuthi okay as in ama-deals sobona I think ngiqhubekele Pirates until I get a better offer.
I think yazi ukuthi uHugo yena bekafuna ukuthi achune. Uyambona ukuthi okay this is a great play. Lentwana le mengafika idlale ku PSG ngafika idlala. Ngabhentshisa ezibhaya la Marquinhos Ruben. Ayangafika ethimini entswemba ngafika bhentshisa abantu yangithola. Yena yile uyambona ngakhona. It's not that uzomisa da, but yena bekafila ukuthi if bekazodlala iAfcon ne with yakhe angithi uzwile lezi zase Europe zithini bewasanda mine vele lapho bebasjoyela blind ngaleyo offer le, but bekafila ukuthi if uzodlala iAfcon izobapha iweth yakhe yenza
yakhuphuka ivele
ahlale ku Pirates until World Cup iweth yakhe bezoyenzana BV. Then after World Cup bebazothatha i-decision nalezi zase Europe bezobona ukuthi no ubani leya basho ukuthi aliya iweth imali so yenze so na so idlala iAfcon yenzini.
So you think this move was rushed?
Mina personally I think so.
And for you?
Anavele ke no disappointment.
Mfana mina.
So like the way we banka thing, it does make sense, and I think the agent Mbokazi ayitse bantu. Or if let's dlala AFCON thola exposure buyer antsala ku-Pirates natothola offer ngitile so ukuthi yena maybe akacabanganga in the business sense of things acabanga nje ukuthi yazi if ngazama maybe thola whatever ngitholayo for now then and now
uHugo ayishiyo into ayishiyo ukuthi i-agent yakhe icabanga ukuthi icavidisi cuba le ntwana le but fana make it make sense tell me uzongitshela if I'm wrong or what or asikhulume as wena if buyi-play or if wena buyi-TLB right now buyodlala i-final ye-Black Label niyayiwina ne-team yakho niyodlala i-AFCON ukhethiwe and we know ukuthi uzocala negame
uzoperforma
uzodlala une-project kaSalah ngoba sizodlala ne-Egypt ngangithola une-project ukuthi singimake ama-Egyptians and igame lethu ne-Egypt kuzoba igame ye-road blind ngangithola into bekumele azibheke uyabheka uyabona ukuthi la and ku-Pirates we know bekazodlala until May so you are guaranteed a starting 11 World Cup you are guaranteed ukuthi uzodlala la and now you are playing against European players you know so ama-player abawafavorayo abawathandayo abawabukelayo ngada Europe isikhathi sakho sokuthi ushaye mina ngimdoubt bekangazikhiya zonke leziya ngithola then abantu bebazocala babuka ubani nina ngaki mabathola ukuthi una 19 iplayer abazolifuna le
investor kulo
but manje ngifila ngazuthi uSister ubonile ukuthi ngifuna ukuye eBhali manje anginamali enough ukuye eBhali but naye there's my cash in transit America Chicago yasayina uSister Ruba Grande
I think nakhona into kwamele sijabulela kancane ukuthi le period le AFCON nale deal le kaMbokazi njengoba yenzakala let's say ayenzakalanga maybe earlier this year that could have caused the whole like process or maybe planning and everything aloka Jimangara singekho sure ukuthi athole games and everything competitive football but now it happened in a short space of time la sazi ukuthi ubuya Pirates uzobuya yangithola aperform ngakhona but now into esiworried ngayo ukuthi yes uzoshayina ngale nani but the league is not that competitive for isikhathi sakhe his prime ukuthi abonakala emhlabeni ngandlela sifuna ukuthi abonakale ngayo it might be wasted not wasted per se but isikhathi somoshakala lapha maybe 2 or 3 years or whatever type of isikhathi azobazidlala lapha sizobe sesivalele gap le bese expect ukuthi izinto zimvale ngakhona
no ivar ene yazi kudeding kunama positives ngithola akhona ama positives ukuthi untwana angadlala aperforme ngithola bamrecognize ngithola it can happen but akuna history ukuthi iplayer balithathile balisangada wenzakala so there's no history ngacala ngaye maybe kube into ezoyenzeka ngithola but no akuna history so anyeke what are you going to base yini lento bengisho ngonkotha last week ukuthi there's no history ukuthi bafana ukora so consistently ngithola if bekashola yini ngile kune history nami bengizovumelana naye ukuthi aveli intsha yami izoshaya ngithola but akuna history
njengoba usoshila that's first time for everything
yabo that's why ngithi kunama positives but then ama negatives abhaya ukudlula ama positives but then TLB lethu uzokhanga phambili akhe ngasemuva
ukuthi njengoba yangala upole AFCON uhlodla AFCON and then akatsebe go fihla ka kwa AFCON ane so whatever mo go fihla ngo teng sharp o tlo etsahalang after see bafana itswile kwa AFCON and then wavali uyakakwa ntwana
ivaliwe ni
ivaliwe phela iqeda ukwala no akatsibe ibula ni February so we are not
kuzoba i-preseason yakhe
you're not sure ukuthi maybe okay uzocala pre-season mnandi bambone cash up. We don't know who like game time ukuyithola divine natural kading ku Pirates etlomledelang go like form ya ibulentse until World Cup because of bayagwala May for the preparations tang
The World Cup.
mantho ke mo teng mo pros vela tlo batlang go beya mahlo so o gantle kwetsa la ngene o tsebe o a beya mahlo I nga like you go pros yena we be direct straight to like American nje
I rate.
I rate le ka gara because of o sheba di players le go tse le ndava ya pele
Ngiyangithola. History.
Una le ntwana le dlala ka America ba ilonetse ko Sundowns no still ko Sundowns ya struggle thola
Already. Kanobani?
kodwa le ntwana le kamala
So thick, yabo.
is somewhere dark nyana so
Yeah.
so like ntwana ya struggle thola game time ko ko Sundowns bangala sinetswa ka America Cassius Mailula o bila vaya ko Canada
Nibishisa le yacho.
hello ntho e Kenya ntho e bohloko kore diplatse di vaka yi di chase
mfana
Beshisa.
ka lebala ka tsona and
Cash bega shisa.
bo mo Hugo Broso ka same playing because of ke coach yak from Europe
and bayibona pertinence ichube
and u coach some of the best players mo career yae ankacho wabo so like what's up like okay let's so tse tshwana le Mbongazi ka talent e banang le yona so o re like o thole play tlo tshwana le Mbongazi in the next coming 10 years opa phela Mbongazi opa Mbongazi phela ala fitla ne ba mcompare le mali OJ Mabizela classing e so like o re o like o thole motho tshwana le Mbongazi go tlo mothola le motho tshwana le Mbongazi if ever tlo ya go at the age of 20 ya go America whereas nana le opportunity ka Europe wabo so like I think tlamile nje Mbongazi yena nje aphamisela tso Africa ka America o go yetsa jwanda ile nyewe ene akapele bako abumbongazi bamshebe mfana go prosa mshebe so
Awukhala ngebig city
ukhala ngebig city
uzoyenzana e1 lo muntu kule in that big city. Obvious. Nela uzosibulala angeke asiye.
never was
as a coach une role yokuthi uyadlala and abantu abaningi abayinayo you're a father figure
exactly
you're a mentor so if ngiyabona ukuthi intwana yami iyabhayisiseka and I have no say on whatever the outcomes might be just let it be
And iyamhetha le coach.
ingakho akhulume ngakho
Iyamhetha le.
he believes in Mbongazi and Mbongazi deserves better
Mfethu nama I believe mfana till be mfana deserves way more better too.
this Nigerian guy I think
Le ntwana le yamasingayicova say Champions League semi-final one of the teams.
kanje mfethu
Aliyanto ngingakhiya abantu babuza ukuthi who's that guy
ntwana mfetesh
angadlala jo
capable
Yeah.
go EPL
yes
by physique high
yes
yam ala okay maybe height kabua something
Bekumnetsi.
impethu akaspana
physique high itomspanela because of strong man
ngithola
so nje ay let's hope nje mfana
Yeah,
next
I'm hoping for the best mfana.
Talking about signings Mbongazi at least to signile he got something out of yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo
Yeah.
sesingena kumabasa ukuthi akamabasa kanje hamba konjani amabasa bafethe amabasa isiyeri man hayi woman isiyeri
Isiyeri ne as a player and as a sponsor and I feel like kuyayincanywa Pirates ntanga yabo but then if ngiyayithanda la ngispana khona ecompany yami and bashintsha izinto I have to adapt because I love it here ngithola so uwado ngimzwena ku 947 Robert Marawa bambuzile ngaye washo ukuthi unama player hayi ukuthi uThego is a bad player or something but kunama player adlalayo da ene ayenza lento le ayifunayo
coach
which is pressure running being mobile and ngibone ngathi uTsoff kusho ukuthi akayithuli ukuthi uyibeke in another way but asho ukuthi yazini but kuntwana angiyitholi la ending le uyangithola because of that it's why bengithi uTshego mfana noma phethe disc uyasiminus noma ngaliphethanga uyasiminus vivi because of uthanda ayele dropelele makumele kupush pressure la uzobona kuyutitu utituyile la utitu ubiza kuyumfukeni kuzoya nalomunye uyangithola yena uda and uye bekumele icala la ending yena abiza utitu abiza ureal uyangithola kube ipressure abe mobile amuva ayifuna ibhola so yena uyile striker lesi
i-alternate strike
box striker and then yena da perfect complete ngaleyo part le imagine if bekazoba mobile Vivicho bekazoba the best striker we have in South Africa Hugo Broos bekangeke amike
nansi kwatla understand eceda ngisho nathi so if Kufile Sharp, are you saying he's losing his position?
No, akekho mobile. Akusilo into
le.
le.
Ibamba from kuphi? Njengoba uthi angithi pressure icela from le phezulu.
Yeah, kuyi.
So yena ngasikhathi komele pressure icale
uya drop. Yeah, uya drop.
Usuka ufuna idisk.
Siluzile ibhola alikho kithi. Lethi ibhola licalwa yiSundowns la uWilliams uyalicala. Uyokumela acala beda first man. Yena akekho la in step. Ungayi utito uyo into engisho uyangithola
is he losing his position or what? Does he understand his role?
I doubt because of nakuJose bekayenza the same thing enobheka uJose bekayenza besekamfaka sekenapho bekangamcalisi ngegame because of lento ayifunayo igame malicala angeke aze ayithole ku but bekazi uthi igame maselishisa sekufuneka igoal mangimfaka ngizolithola igoal enebheka ku-MTN last year kule game le-Arrows madlala na phela Arrows beyikora score yangithola and ushaya 2 goals I think kulelo game 1 if I'm not mistaken and akacalanga negame yangithola because of lapho besisinira igoal and besimesting strike esizohlala eboxini and bekahlala da and mabanga cross uzobona uda and we are ahead untwana shooting mnandi everything mnandi but no uwathi ufuna umuntu ozoya le asuke la yini
mobility
azuke la athi la nini masithi acheck isukile abona apolice angena so uTshego uyile striker lesukuthi if ngiyabheka ngithi apolice ngiyabona ukhatha in ungena so mina yena uzoyiboxini and no ama defender asaseda move
angithuthi
but uMahopa uzoya le
uyawadraw
uzothatha lama defender wayisele because low years yangithola so bekabona so mina ngazi ukuthi ejimini umtshelile untwana ukuthi bamfethu yenza so yangithola yenza so bamna untango yakora le angeke screen amanga sithi akakora yakora le but immobility yakhe
ayijabulisa uwadi
ayijabulisi noma bezisiza ngedisk kumele one fast uzolibamba i-defend ifika imphusha la attack seyimoshekile because kumele siphakamisele wena isandla ukuthi basusela umuntu river kabona ngefawo but idisk balanda thina
so lelinye yamcosta imcosta contract yabo nal possibility yokuba kasi renew contract yabo waiting to the cutting and lena obvious uba frustrated actually game time and akamutsebe uchase in uba top goal scorer
Pirates or PSL
Pirates
and this season bekazoyithola right untwana
yatso only 9 goals
ngathi angayivala benginambe ngifisa ukuthi ayivale season wayicala yazi beka2 because of uthi top goal scorer ma middle field
yabo yena letlo ba grand because of ke striker sikorile goals epa we know like striker score so like
and ufunwa ikhosi ngibona bathi ikhosi
ivafura
ikwenzakala nje
even if akayakukhosi Pela ko Pirates mfethu la Pirates wayibona nje wathi sometimes rekacho rookie ayibengilapha ya dlalile fere nani uyeko team inyengo loring enewengcayo team newedlala like you won't okay kama utlo perform because of what sponsors
new
but now mfethu Pela wayisalida I think mistake re etsang gape ko Kaizer Chiefs ka sheba with most players bo Castro bo mang Castro mfethu was invested ko Sundowns. He came mo Kaizer Chiefs, then he played akorela because
ngiyakuthola iphethilo yangayo billiards Sereno.
So I think if we can fix on that thing, everything can be, I think it's all better because we cannot sign it. Wait to twana leng shabantwana ke man detergent. Detergent na go Kaizer Chiefs. Bam release. O bam release ditseng out ba phela ona tse ne rona as defense re shebile okay. Fere Pirates am batla detergent ne. Mara because una le rata for Kaizer Chiefs because of whatever situation e killing etsala against yena u Kaizer Chiefs. I battle more hatilente. It goes back to Bombese, bo kimang shades lengling. Treatment of it to our from development to Zokupoga, you're seeing everything.
And choose one you be development. You be
I think Babu development.
What's with this thing you could see? So good is good see each Chiefs saying I'm a player Bumagu Pirates. Like just like this. If you took Tala, you guys you would see beef. Ang paisel play and
nale player like mazobuya ngai nale player
kuzoba ipho
and the player umsuka parents bumncane parents adlala against si shaya muntu Kaizer mazongifuna mfethu iphele kodwa ngayo
lena la ile mfethu
noma sebare
technique one seyenzakala kaphala like ama player and most big ama player phela kuva yi2 as free agents uma konomnyana so like makungayenzeka vike kungayenzeka kube uThixo noGabelo Dlamini yangithola bakavaya bayo Chiefs ikaba secure of which is yabanile ngoba bahlona compete alibona wanthola
yabanile Chiefs.
I still feel
or Chiefs need the coach nje
mina I still feel Chiefs tlamele ishebele ko development nantwana sekhandela mfana
sheba di players asayina
into engisho Chiefs benzwe development. I don't know what happened.
Phela lento le ama players ano Pirates most ama players ano Pirates say for abo police nana ndo Polokwane City Polokwane City ngizoba ngenye indlela okay we know the top 3 teams we know ihlezi njalo so bo Polokwane City yes kile underdogs but
ama so called
yes
small team
if ki top Polokwane City kilo sana Pirates or whatever say ki emuki mo consider nteng re ya ke haya o understand la tlo theo da o tla khutla ko Polokwane City le ntshonyana go itse ke mo ke tswang teng o bona like for good relationship but o theo how ko Pirates mo no dula teng your home mo building family and everything o shapa the opposing side so tla ko the opposing side mfethu inhliziyo ayisekho yes sokuyispan creature
into engisho ukuthi
sokuyispan yabona manje bokubheka ama player Pirates Mama mele ma interview mo bolokuba wina kanje. Mo buza ba coach nini I'm really happy here. You know I'm gelling with the team. It's nice and everything.
Gents are happy too.
Like that's family but now
relationship
that is why it Chiefs you need a player or coach.
Yeah, coach ona bayidinga.
Coach.
Ngisasho mele baye ku development.
Yeah, good development. Yeah, it's fine.
Development,
but saying yes, so-called players.
The players
Sundowns, Pirates.
Khona lo mfana lo unale Hlongwane. Mfana utlamele bamkhuphule.
Lebe idlala izolo All Stars.
Lebe bayikhuphule no.
Le striker. Baby bayisile mostly.
Bayisile bayibuyisela nithi. Makamele khuphule.
So uyazi into engikutshela ukuthi iChiefs idinga icoach or idinga ama player.
And it Chiefs I think idinga icoach yanga yikas not a problem.
Serious.
Yeah. And for me the option Manqithi. Let me just put it that way.
Well Manqoba he can
because yabona manje uthatha Manqoba Mnqithi. Uyazi now as a fan ukuthi okay it is guaranteed ukuthi intwana zethu zizokhuphuka zidlale.
Yeah.
Hayi lento ukuthi intwana zethu zizokhuphuka amaqeda ukukhuphuka uyaskip.
And umzulu utheni in one of the interviews uthi at Sundowns i-mandate ukuthi sifide i-national team and sikhuphule youngsters ukuthi badlale
at the highest level.
athi no akazi kwenzakalani because of nami no I don't
Wena
understand.
manje agenda yale le coach lo bani
Carlos.
upusha agenda yamthule uzama
Like
so
uyabona
asale Sundowns la
asisho ukuthi lama player lawa awekho mnandi but
ekuyiboni
but cabanga ntanga.
but icripula nebafana most of the
That's the problem.
isihlele phansi le game time sikhuluma yakambokazi wona iba affect abalayikasi.
Imagine that's my problem. Mfana imagine if iPirates, Chiefs ne Sundowns ashisa and ashisa so lama team first 11 dominator South African players and not just South African players, national team players. Ucabanga ukuthi bafana bengekishisa.
Bezoshisa jo. Bezoshisa.
Ngithola because of lama player lawo adlala for big teams ne big institution but no okay uzokuthi
Angilinda ukuthi ngithi amahlala.
badlalela lawo ma team lawo ne so i-level abadlala kuyo bengi-explain lenye out izolo ithi ngicale ngi-explain i-level abazodlala kuyo because of i-brand i-team abayidlalela it's so high mentality yakho izohlale iku-winning mentality yangithola so mawuya kubafana labantu ocompete nabo niyohlangana nenza into eyi-one mentality ayibomb
It's a bomb.
it's a bomb yangithola so bengi-explain lenye out izolo ithi kimi Kaizer Chiefs ingawina i-league yabo this season ngamtshela ngathi I don't think i-disc lisipana kanjalo nje. I don't think i-Chiefs ingawina i-league this season. I don't think nabo basitshela ukuthi bazowina i-league this season yangithola because of the past 2 years balebele bangekho ku-top 8 yangithola bona no bafuna ukuzibona top 4 number 3 number 2 masingabuyisa leyo Kaizer Chiefs esihlale sidala phela mabangayibuyisa this season ngaba nama talks ukuthi
maybe next season
bayiwini league yabona besu number 3 yabo as much as i-mentality yabo ukuthi bangayiwini Nedbank because of they won it last season bengi-explain la ukuthi i-mentality ayifani ngithi ama-player Pirates mentality yabo cupping ngeke uyenze next it's high it's high mabazodlala lenye team bazoyishaya finally even if bebadlala ne-Sundowns bebazoyishaya even if bebadlala bebazoyishaya because of they are playing many finals so now they know this
as the field
as much as the Sundowns will win the league they now know yangithola
bayina kanjani league
uyangithola and i-Pirates lebile bama-runner up yabona i-mentality ama-team wethu ukuthi va awafani
and bebonakala ukuthi if i-Sundowns izoselect nazo overtake
uyangithola
so ubheka ngalawo ma-position
uyangithola ngamtshela ukuthi i-disc kanjalo awuthemba
1 and 2
hayi ukuthi ngoba wena uvelile hey ya ungahijack it's possible but ngamtshela ukuthi but i-mentality yama-player right now iva and e-Pirates ama-player mentality very very high because no bawina i-cup lesi-2 elesi-3 izolo but official ayi-2 yangithola bakhompyutha ne-Sundowns la phezulu Chiefs nayo yabo ifuna kahle mina if bengicoach i-Chiefs i-mentality bengifuna ukuzofaka ama-player ami kuwo i-feel yokuba lapha number 3 number 4 number 3 ukuthi hayi asihlokoloze
kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs imphezulu kumele kube into ukuthi bayakora bayawina ama-game because naleyo nto leyo ungena egamini bheka manje le game ele-TS Galaxy dlaliwe amajita mfethu they created so many chances mfana like I was like kwenzakalani kunale chance le ulilepo open net lawa mele
uqale le game
bamfaka sena lawa mele afule inyawo nje phela umzimba sobhekile ukhipha usikhomithile ulahlela nango
ngiyibonile leyo chance uthi
bashala ngaphandle
walisa le ngaphandle
le offset babaropileng ka yona eo ba khawathile
yabona sikakitsho the game answer kulusa the game so kathi la uri and ushayibona nje etsona nje kushebile asina ngithi manje i-mentality la silokuya draw angithi silokuya draw and mabazokuroba ngegoli lebo ucinga ukuthi lizowina imatch vele ube demoralize ngesense ukuthi okay, we're trying to win. Nabo reba against ngapho nalento ukuthi party whatever the case might be. Angithi yazi ukuthi abantu abamnyama banjani. So that being said, already mind-wise, mentality-wise, iyashintsha. It becomes a thing ukuthi manje no longer playing there, you actually fighting with your state of mind.
Yeah, no, that is why I need to know. I don't think there's something wrong. From last season, I don't think there's something wrong. I'm a player like I think coaching. They need coaching.
They're confusing the players.
Coach,
yeah, you need a proper coach.
Proper coach.
A coach.
Still philosophy.
A coach. Mayibona uvile. Ibona ukuthi ngizoyikhulisa le ntwana.
Kahle kahle.
Mayibona umuntu odayi. Le ntwana le ngizoyikhulisa. Mayibona uvile eBhayi. It's yabona le Stalis. Senze greatest star.
And lento thunakala ukhiza.
Because le ntwana le uvile eBhayi inzoyini.
Yo baba. Kulala ekhatha ngaphakathi ithi yashaya lapha ngithola.
Ayashisa.
And yonke inyanga la
ngibone one game. First game yayo mayiqala. Nge first game yayo angabone la. Mina outtime I don't need 20 touches kubona ukuthi aleli player.
And yangena ke.
Uyabona nange idea noma ingayenzakalanga successfully but idea bothi uyayenza sibone ukuthi okay
ile ndebe ngisho mfethu yabona players like abomoli inama player angafuna ukudlala so la uvele eBhayi uveli uyavela mbo usazodlala umoli
awuhlonye
usazoyidla
and then umoli mfethu akithi ngithatha abamfana
abatodlala
and umoli mfethu mayisa di goal tse mfethu wena ubona phela ka moli nerisha mfethu abuhlukanga.
Remember I think I think we wathwala
team
Star team
ne
yowathwala nge-Star team that thing because makafika bekakora khumbula nali goal out of 18
naleli la wadlala noPotsane no shit ashe ngesendo uPotsane wayesha
nangadabi wa create chance for
yeah
Kasungu number 9 to pre
we at a position for Kaizer Chiefs where we're confused what's happening technically coach because this other coach wanna show his thing, this other coach wanna show his thing, so they're confusing the planning the player as a benching you don't understand what's happening.
I mean
it's a gimmick and
get a coach you'll beat Sundowns.
Chiefs
will beat institution.
Chiefs la di players le go no di batla dlala la magalo a di go because of yona le ngwe buang bo coach ba confuse di play
the middle man they change too much
fun
chopping and changing
that is why uveli final ntwana le uBatman yeah from kuSpurs yabuye ngibonile combination yabo ngibonile
yabona
yes
I wishing
yabona Chiefs angiba win first how many games 5 or 7 like yeah imiddle field yabo yabona ngabe bebadlale ngalabo bantu consistent no abo Ox
nobani
Ngcobo
Mshini
ane
yeah nobani futhi
nale
ubani
le
man
badala
le middle number 21 Cele yeah
kimang
Ox
kimang Ox le ntwana kimang
no
into yabona if bephethe coach prop njengoba basaqala bawina bekazoba guide grand boy 3 ukuthi sidlaleni so imidlilini sidlalwa so bebazodlala ngayo lento le bebazoyibamba till no yeah bebazobhayiseka da in the middle njengoba bese ba draw abayenzani yabo but bebazo
bayashintsha bona bakhipha ungco bafaka ucele nini bacala
ngicela
bafaka ucele
kunalaba ke bafaka konjubani uFrostler emidlilini yabona noBakhasi amkhumula uBakhasi le play mfana kwengamelanga ngihambelela anyways siyabhala wafethu don't forget to like subscribe
and comment
khulume nopolisi ngikhulume noKevin ngikhulume noSiya ngayi chaya siyivale kanjalo catch us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram pending, still loading, and YouTube.
What's that? Is it Sol Sebeza or Sol Keveza?
It's my soul.
Saveza.
Saveza what?
Sebeza. Keveza.
Mana ukhuluma
It's Saveza.
Saveza.
Yeah,
La
when I put the
Saveza.
original de
The
Mexico.
Mexico, it's
Kipa
Saveza.
Mexican accent, la Saveza.
Solar radiation siyashisa. Sol.
Sol Seveza.
Saveza.
And
Aiza.
that's taking over.
Saveza.
Yeah, let's have a
Saveza.
solid.
Accent. Spanish.
V,
Spanish.
is it silent?
Spanish in
Aye.
Come on.
I having a
Saveza.
solid drink
Saveza.
of
When
it.
you drink it,
Mina ngifuna ukubona umbuza.
Saveza. It's a
Saveza.
Saveza.
Eat.
It's a Sol Saveza.
It's Sol.
Yeah.
V.
Yeah.
Yes.
Saveza.
Hey, Saveza.
Asiva.
Yeah.
Anything
Yeah,
is equally.
Don't forget to follow me personally.
Bafethu.
We are on episode 10.
Yeah.
Okay,
Bafethu.
For the sake of Sol.
Siwasupporteni bafana.
For the
Sikhohlweni.
the face.
Mnandi.
Sikhohlweni indaba zokuthi kuyenzakalani mbokazi ish nani nani yo focusing ku AFCON bafethu. Supporteni
Please ask them. Please ask them.
sibangene bafethu yabo.
Una le enedlala kusapula ke mang ba ibuile nje are. Elena ke ayibona nje ibuile ngare afkhona ikhuta le bafana.
Mamela 1996 repeat la ideng bafethu.
Abana wishi kanje ke mang ngizokhumbula igama.
Le team lengine confidence kuyo bafethu. Confidence ebhaya kule team le yabo. Bane imnandi oh.
Yabona mina no Hugo Bros ngiyamunderstand izinto zami makathi bengibuild igroup ibehavior igroup mele ba behave kanjani mele mentality
Yeah.
leza shange winning mentality zonke
Mamela.
Yo, igama ngiyalifuna kuma archives.
nami ngithi ngiyakumayizisela ukuthi ngithole legama yona
Eyenye into unkodathu uzokuyisela inamba kumnikazi. Umnikazi sekakhona.
And unkota uzitheni?
Ha.
Siyandlula.
Mamela.
Siyandlula.
relebule mfuku
Siyandlula.
South Africa
So abafethu ngingakhohlwa ukusubscribe abafethu.
Can they help us get to 1,000
Yabo.
subscribers?
Please, pretty please. Soul, please.
yes.
Hot and
Soul,
fiery
please.
soul, please.
Siyayiphusha ishandisi.
Say push.
Siyayiphusha ishandisi.
So lokho si. Athi siyafika la siyakhona.
Aba big positive bafethu. Sicela ukuyivala bafethu yazi nayo siyabonga bafethu.
Sikula so phuzile besikhohlela.
Hey, sorry for ukukhohlela man. Hey, ngiyagula man.
You're
But I'm having a sore
Did you
Le
take
fight
pictures
drink.
while we speak? Hello.